Hey gang, Poppy here. This is virus update for April 29, 2021. 2 days ago, on Tuesday, I got the second poke of my Moderna. Yesterday, my arm hurt. It doesn't hurt now. I mean, it was like any other. It was like anytime I'd gotten a flu shot. You know how you get poked for a flu shot, your arm hurts? Well, it was the same. Arm don't hurt now. I can almost not find the spot where the nurse put it in, so, right? Side effects, gone. I'm feeling good. What can I say? A friend of mine and his wife, they got the Johnson & Johnson one poke stuff. They're still suffering from migraines and swelling in various parts of their body that shouldn't be, you know. I don't know if that means anything, but my friend said he wished he'd gotten Moderna instead of Johnson & Johnson and one poke. I imagine his wife feels the same. I didn't talk to her. She's at home. She's still all messed up. So, vaccinate. Hell yeah. Get the right vaccination. Masks. Yeah. Gloves are going to come back into fashion because of diseases and people realizing it's a dirty freaking world out there and you don't want to touch that stuff with your hands. So, Poppy's gonna go for now. Stay safe. Mask. Vaccinate. Wear gloves. That way you don't have to touch strangers or the things they've touched. Because it's those dirty strangers touching things. And you go on, you pick up the secondhand germ from them. Maybe if it doesn't kill you, all it does is make you a little bit sick. A little bit sick sounds like a good reason to wear gloves so you don't get it. Think about it. It's your health. You want to die? Go out in the woods and do it where no one has to deal with you. Otherwise, take care. Good night from California.